Takot ako sa multo, pero mas takot ako nawala ka sa buhay ko. What is it?
Hindi mo alam
Can
yan?
you first?
What does it mean? Do you know what does it mean?
He is scared of the monster, but he is more scared if I'm gone in his life.
Yeah, that's right. Who give that to you?
This
Mm?
snack
Snacks. It's so cool. You do understand Tagalog?
ambot.
Ambot? Yeah, you read that and you understand it. You asked me to translate it but you did it yourself though. So you understand already Tagalog?
I think
I think that's so cool.
just small.
Small. How about Bisaya?
Small.
Sige nga, salita ka nga ng Bisaya.
I don't want to.
Kay?
I'm English.
Pero kabalo ka mong Bisaya. Kasabot ka.
Yeah.
Sige daw. Pila imong edad?
7. I mean 8.
8 na ka? Nagunsa ka karon?
Just thinking about mommy and daddy.
Talaga? Bakit? Nganong wala ka ni eskwela karon?
Because Mom Novellen didn't replied.
Nag-chat day ka?
No, I'm not friend with Mom Novellen, but except for Tita Geng.
Si Tita Ging ang nag-chat?
Hmm.
Unsay imong buhaton nung adlaw kung wala makay klase?
Wait lang.